Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error Microsoft Teams not opening Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to fix error Microsoft Teams not opening Windows 11 using troubleshooter. To start, enter troubleshoot in the search box. Click on troubleshoot other problems. Here, click run in the section program compatibility troubleshooter. In the wizard that you see, you can interact so that the cause of the error is determined and this error is automatically fixed. On some occasions, you can see that advice is given on how to solve this failure. Chapter 2. How to fix error Microsoft Teams not opening Windows 11 closing processes. To begin, right-click on Start, select Task Manager. After this, select Microsoft Teams. Now click End Task to close all associated processes. Chapter 3. How to fix error Microsoft Teams not opening Windows 11 clearing cache. To start, open File Explorer. After that, go to the path you see on the screen. In it, you find the Teams cache files located in the roaming section. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Here, select the Teams folder. Click Delete to delete this folder. Chapter 4. How to fix error Microsoft Teams not opening Windows 11 repairing app. To get started, enter Teams in the search box. Click on App Settings. After this, click on Repair. Wait for the application to be fixed. Now you're going to click on Reset. You must click on Reset again. Finally, wait for Teams to reset to fix the error. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.